Hello everyone, I'm Durgesh Gupta and today I'm here to talk something about my life's brief, which is fully loaded with dream, and I will try to talk in a few limited words. So I was born and brought up in Mumbai, the city for dream, the very big city. Here everyone thinks that any dream can be achieved. Like every other person who carry their dreams in their eyes, I carry mine. And the fun fact about my dream is it doesn't give you the surety that if you would get paid for every month or not. Because I didn't choose a career which require lots of study. I choose a field and I choose a really difficult field, and that's being an actor. It really not pay much if you are a fresher. And I belong from a middle class family. And my parents always wanted to me run in the normal race because here person work hard for every penny we earn. My parents also wanted me to run in normal race from which I could have earned money to satisfy my hunger. But the satisfaction always hits different, and I choose satisfaction over the money. And I decided I want to be an actor. One fine day, I thought I have to talk to my dad about my acting, and I went to him. I said them, Dad, I want to be an actor. There was a completely dead silence in the room. My dad was thinking that I'm something high award because telling to your father, a middle class father, that you want to be an actor isn't easy a job. He looked me in my eyes and saw that hesitation and saw that aggression about acting. Even I hesitating, he said, Yes, child, you can what you want. If you think it is right, you go ahead with this. And after this, I took my first step towards the acting. I'm very fresher. I'm a complete fresher about the industry. I didn't knew anything about the industry, how the things work here. So all that's aggression, I started learning the industry, how the industry work. Even if I don't know that hundreds of the audition videos makes in a person too. And after that, I met many of the frauds people. There are many of the fraud peoples. We are the targets who always tries to manipulate us. They try to help us, but in reality, they are making money by us. Within in these all things, I got my first audition. I had to perform in the public, in front of many peoples. I was literally shivering. And I'm very nervous. But I controlled my nerves and performed. And luckily, I got my first project. I learned lots of things from this project. Very much things I learned. I got a real person from who helped me to get out from these all things. And the man was Sandeep Ghosh. And I'm really thankful to him. I should not say that I learned acting from him because I think that acting is not a scientific theory. It is not science which we can learn. It is thing which we can exhale. It is a thing which we can observe. It is there in the person. After the 20 days of hard work, I get perfect fit for the character. And the very happiest thing happened. I went to the set, and there was I'm satisfied, and this was the satisfaction about I'm talking. And this was my time, and I met to the real gentleman, Imran Hashmi. Got a chance to work with him, even though I have a 2-3 minutes of screen timing. But then also I'm quite happy, too much happy, because it's a big deal for me. Film wrapped, all things done. I went with many of the knowledge, with lots of knowledge, and this was the one more reason to be with our dreams. And after this all, I decided to work with industry, to work in acting, and for learning the industry much better, I'm here with you all guys. I hope you all like my words, and I want to thank Pavni ma'am who gave me the chance, who gave me the chance to represent myself in. Thank you so much.